Hi, this is Vaibhav Chauhan from India Hikes. We are at Bali Pass Summit, top of the col. It's 11:30 a.m. in the morning, bright views. What you see right now is the ice base down. Advanced base camp is below there, the Bali Pass Advanced Base Camp. So much of snow, and just behind that is the place, was our base camp there from where we started the trek. Swargrohini Peak is just in front of us, the Swargrohini Range. So we trekked all this way, and I'm going to show you from where we came up. So you see there down there, our porters are there. That is the first call of Bali Pass. We came up here, loose snow, soft snow. No ropes were required. Then after that you climb this pinnacle up. Looks more like a mountaineering kind of a slog ascent up to the true summit of Bali Pass, which we are standing here, as you can see, with my team. Bali Pass is at 4,940 meters as per our Garmin GPS, and the hard part of the day is still done, and now we need to go. Yes, Tanmay is here, one of our 13-year-old trekker with family, and I just want to show you the Yamunotri side of the col. Now we say bye to the Runsiara Valley, and now hello to Yamunotri. See that descent there? We need to go from there down. So here is a place where we would need to fix up a rope. The team will go in rope, go down. See, everything is completely in snow. You come here in post monsoon, there is no snow here. It's all boulders and moraine. So just behind that ridge down is Yamunotri, and we intend to go behind there down towards a place somewhere or a campsite which is not in snow. So we hope to camp tonight not on the snow. And another completing the 360-degree panorama view. In the front are the White Peak or Bandar Poonch ranges, and the Bandar Poonch glacier is at the back there. Great views all over. And finally Bali Pass has been successfully completed. We reached the col. Now the hard part of reaching down, a tricky part. Hopefully that would be done sooner later in the day. Vaibhav Chauhan from India Hikes signing off.